Yo guys, welcome back to my channel Sumukh.V.Atreya. So guys, in this video we are going to learn about one of the most popular programming language, Python. Let's begin with our learning. Beginning, Python was developed by Gideon van Rossum. He decided to create Python in 1989 and he released it in 1991. He wanted to build a programming language that could resolve the issues the programmers were facing at that time. Python is often used to build websites, software, automate tasks, conduct data analysis, and rapid prototyping. Errors. An error is a term used for any issue that arises unexpectedly in a computer that causes it not to function properly. There are two types of errors, software error and hardware error. Software errors. There are five types of software errors. They are keyboard error, indentation error, import error, syntax error, and name error. Data types. Data types are used to define the type of a variable. It defines what type of data we are going to store in a variable. They are the classification or categorization of data items. It represents the kind of value that tells what operations can be performed on a particular data. Types of data types. Data types. There are five different types of data types: integer, string, character, float, and boolean. They are used for integer is used for whole numbers, string is used for alphanumeric characters, a character is used for encoding text numerically, float is used for decimal point, boolean is used for representing logical values. Keywords of Python. Python has a set of keywords which have a special meaning. They cannot be used as variable names or function names. Operators in Python. Operators are special symbols that designate that some sort of computation should be performed. The values that an operator acts on are called operands. Here is a small example. A and B are the variables, whereas the data given to the variable A is 10 and the data given to the variable B is 20. Now, the addition of the variables A and B is equal to 30 because the numerical values or the data which is present in those variables are added together. Arithmetic operators. There are different types of operators in Python. One of them is arithmetic operators. Addition, meaning it adds two operands together. Subtraction, where the right operand is subtracted from the left. Multiplication, two operands are multiplied together. Division, the left operand is divided by the right. Modulus, reminder of the division of the left operand by the right. Exponentiation, a type of multiplication where the value is multiplied with itself for a certain number of times. Floor division, division that results into the whole number adjusted to the left in the number line. Friends, thank you for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel Sumukh.V.Atreya.